whisk on the side and whisk this powder here into one smooth kind of a smoothie consistency. So you just want to beat up everything, whisk it up, not beat up. So I'm just whisking up everything to a smooth mixture here. Again, we're making uji or porridge, and the ingredients are finger millet flour, it's a superfood, lemon juice, cinnamon, sugar, 8 cups of boiling water, 1 cup of cold water into this, and 1 cup of powder, 1 cup of powder, sorry. So you want to mix the mixture here until it looks like something like this. So as you can see, the water is starting to boil. It's starting to boil. It doesn't take forever for this to start boiling. So I will grab this mixture and just pour it in here. And I got a little bit more water here from the tap, just a little bit to rinse off everything from that. So I'll be mixing that up. Sorry, my pot is dancing. It's not like 100% flat, so it's dancing a little bit. But this is what you wanna do. If you notice that your uji or your porridge is becoming a little bit thicker, feel free to add more water. See, it's starting to boil in no time. You want it to start boiling like that. At this point in time, you can add some lemon drops. Ideally, you should be adding 1 tablespoonful. I'm just gonna measure it out for you. Since I'm used to eye dropping or eye measuring everything, I will just show you how I measure. So this is about 1 tablespoonful. You can always use fresh pressed lemon, and if you don't have anything fresh, you can just use substitutes like that. So that goes in there, and it's gonna give you a little citrusy flavor. Next goes the cinnamon. Next goes the sugar. And then continue mixing really well. And you just want to bring the heat to low or medium, because at this point in time the uji or the porridge will start splashing all over, and trust me, you don't want it to splash it on your skin. it's gonna burn. So it looks like everything is getting ready there. It's ready to go. So you just want to turn off the stove. It's still boiling. It's literally good to go like that. If you wanna use a spoon while you consume this, it should be good for like that. But if you wanna drink it out of the cup, you can add just an extra 1 cup of water, and that's hot water. And that's hot water, so I did not make it anything. I did not make it bad. It's just hot water. Uji is ready. I will pour it out for you. It should pour out really smooth like that. And then a little bit is left here. I'm just gonna let it cool down there before we drink it. Cover that up. You want to pour that in a cup of your choice. And then just like wait for that broth or uji to cool down before you drink it. Never ever ever drink hot uji because it will peel your tongue out. One of the ways I just do this is to use a spoon. Wait for about 5 minutes. And the fastest sure way of drinking cooler uji is so just using the pot you made or a bigger container. Whisk it like that. It's gonna cool really faster, especially if you're serving a young child. Whisk it like that. Or you can even place in a bowl of cold water. That will cool it even super fast. Serve like that.